STEPN, a blockchain-based lifestyle program that incentivizes users to walk about, combines aspects of GameFi and SocialFi networks to provide a unique experience. And it was only in March that STEPN introduced its Green Metaverse Token, GMT, which was one of the first applications to be developed around this idea of quote-unquote move to earn. So what is GMT and how has it fared in its first few weeks on the market? Hello and welcome back to our channel. Are you eager to know more about STEPN? Are you familiar with its work concept? In today's video, we'll be looking at the GMT token and its price prediction. So subscribe to the channel and turn on the post notification bell if you haven't done so already. And without further ado, let's get this party started. Let's start by understanding STEPN. So what exactly is a STEPN coin and how does it work? Find Satoshi Lab co-founders Jerry Wang and Yan Rong came up with the idea for STEPN, which was founded in Australia in August of 2021 by the company's two co-founders. In the STEPN environment, NFTs are being utilized on the Solana blockchain to give users virtual sneakers in the Web3 mobile app game powered by blockchain technology. Exercising outside, such as walking or running, rewards players with cryptocurrency tokens which they can use to sell assets or exchange for other currencies to make payments in the game. The user's movement is tracked by the application, which makes use of the data signal and GPS provided by the mobile device. 4 distinct types of footwear are available: the walker, the jogger, the runner, and the trainer. The gaming track of the Solana Ignition Hackathon, which took place from August 31 to October 15th of last year, saw the project come fourth overall in the competition. The private beta testing phase of STEPN began on November 3, 2021, with a public beta testing phase following a month later. On January 20th of this year, STEPN announced the completion of a $5 million investment round with Sequoia Capital, Folius Ventures, Solana Capital, and Alameda Research among those that contributed to the round. So, how does the GMT function and the STEPN system operate? In the STEPN system, the token has a dual token structure with an in-game token, Green Satoshi Token (GST), and a governance token, GMT. In an initial decentralized exchange, IDO, on the Binance cryptocurrency market, GMT, the STEPN crypto token, was published on March 9th in a decentralized exchange on the Ethereum blockchain. When the token generation event, TGE, took place, 6 billion coins were created in total, with 10% of those coins entering into initial circulation. It works because users who participate in governance and move to earn activities will receive a portion of the funds, around 30%. STEPN's white paper states that, quote, to maintain the long-term stability of the STEPN project, the overall release of GMT will be reduced by half every 3 years. And each day, a set number of GMT points may be gained by doing particular tasks. And an additional 30% of the tokens will be transferred to the treasury. Users gain the STEPN GMT cash when their shoe NFT reaches a certain level determined by the user's shoe NFT. Players can utilize GST to purchase a more expensive pair of shoes. The STEPN team has set aside 2% of trading fees to cover development expenditures to further the project. In any case, at least 5% of the revenues are reinvested back into the system. To implement carbon offsetting, STEPN will contribute money from its treasury profits pool to buy carbon emissions removal credits on the blockchain in the future. Also under consideration is the development of a donation mechanism that would enable consumers to donate their GST income toward purchasing carbon credits. According to the development team, the multi-chain capability will be added to the STEPN wallet and marketplace by the second quarter of 2022. STEPN wants to deploy a sneaker NFT rental system in the third quarter of this year, allowing new consumers to join without first having to purchase the sneakers to do so. STEPN's token analysis, on the other hand, appears to be rather detailed. After starting at $0.1536 on March 9 and rising to $0.844 on March 17, the GMT price experienced a 449% gain in just over a week. GMT dipped to $0.5741 on March 20, but then surged to a new high of $0.8858 on March 22 after a period of consolidation. When GMT had a pullback to $0.6782 on March 25th, it intensified its upward trajectory, rising to $3.11 on April 1, representing a 1,925% gain from the time of its debut 3 weeks earlier to that. And based on market capitalization data from CoinMarketCap, GMT was presently the 7th largest gaming cryptocurrency in terms of market value. During the first hour of trading on April 4, CoinCodex's technical analysis revealed 9 bullish indicators and 6 sell signals. While the 3-day simple moving average was bearish, the exponential moving averages and the 5, 10, and 20-day SMAs were all bullish, in contrast to the negative 3-day SMA. In light of the fact that the RSI Relative Strength Index was overbought at 83.15, the Hull Moving Average HMA and the Volume Weighted Moving Average VWMA both provided sell signals. According to CoinCodex data, technical support was discovered at $2.24 and went as low as $1.77, while resistance was located at $2.72 and as high as $3.19. In the long run, the Gmt market capitalization is still only $2.1 billion, and it hasn't yet reached the top 50 currencies on CoinMarketCap. Despite its current market capitalization of $13 billion, Shiba Inu formerly had a market cap of more than $40 billion and is presently the 15th most valuable cryptocurrency globally. In the event that GMT can flip Shiba Inu from here, the value of the currency will have climbed by roughly 7 times, placing the GMT price well beyond $20. Green Metaverse Token would earn 20 times its current market cap if it were to surpass SHIB's market capitalization, establishing the most optimistic GMT price goal at almost $70. Compared to Shiba Inu, GMT has a smaller total supply, 6 billion coins compared to 549,278,876,302 coins for SHIB. In addition, a burn mechanism is integrated into each GMT coin, which gradually reduces the total number of coins in circulation. GMT may be able to flip AXS, the number 44 ranked coin, now that the Axie Infinity Hula Habaloo has died down. AXS has a market capitalization of $2.8 billion, which is 33% more than the market cap of the GMT coin right now. If this were to happen, the price of GMT would climb to around $5.50, and to compete with Binance, GMT has been listed on Bybit, which offers both a spot trading and a perpetual futures pair for those looking to leverage trade GMT. And because the Bybit exchange has a high trading volume, it may help the price of the GMT to rise in the near future. In the opinion of Digital Coins Study, the long-term price projection for the STEPN GMT coin was optimistic. Digital Coin anticipated that the average price of the coin would be $3.01 in 2022, climb to $3.44 in 2023, and reach $3.59 in 2024, based on historical data and predictions. According to the forecast, the GMT price would average $4.33 in 2025 and $10.58 in 2030, with the latter figure highest. Price prediction forecasted a slower pace of growth in cryptocurrency prices until later in the decade in its GMT crypto price prediction. On the other hand, GMT is expected to climb to $10.58 by 2030, according to the agency. But always keep in mind that forecasting the price of a cryptocurrency in a matter of hours is impossible, and that projecting its long-term worth is much more difficult. And because of this, projections of STEPN coin prices provided by professionals and algorithmic forecasters are vulnerable to mistakes. So always conduct your research if you're thinking about investing in cryptocurrency tokens. Technical and fundamental research and professional opinion should be used to make investment decisions based on current market trends and news. It's important to remember that previous performance is no guarantee of future outcomes. So, is the GMT cryptocurrency a safe bet for investors? Well, the value of cryptocurrencies, particularly new coins such as GMT, is extremely volatile. The acceptability of a cryptocurrency or token for inclusion in your investment portfolio can only be established by completing your research. So, the question of if STEPN GMT is a good asset for you can only be determined by your risk tolerance and the amount of money you wish to invest. Well, there you have the GMT token explained and its price prediction, and by reaching this point, we mark the end of this video. What do you think about the GMT token? Is it something you could invest in? Comment below and let's engage. Also, please do leave a like, subscribe, and don't forget to turn on that notification bell for more amazing related videos.